Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. Today is September 11th, 2022. I'm not in the yarn room, but I am home. All of my stuff is not yet unpacked. I gotta make this video really quick because we're on our way out to go watch the football game at my brother-in-law's, and I have to get my video in for the day. So bear with me with this. I do want to say just really quick that I have not given my condolences to all of my friends in the UK for the loss of their queen. I understand she is the longest running monarch in UK history, and that is fabulous, and do please accept my deepest sympathies on the loss of your queen. It's got to be very tragic. This is a tragic day in history in our country, and I hope everyone takes a moment to say a prayer of remembrance for those we've lost. I personally did not lose anyone on 9/11, but my countrymen did, and my country suffered, and I understand the suffering that might be going on in the UK right now. So enough of that. I do want to show you, I finished the Annie's Crochet September, and this is what I have. Here are the mitts, and here are the boot covers, and they're supposed to have a button. It says, and look at the placement on the picture, there is no button in the picture, so there's no button on mine. I made these exactly to the best of my abilities to the pattern, other than I added 5 stitches because I'm a little bit larger than the model. And this is how they look on. And I added 5 stitches to the boot cuffs. Oh, hold on one second. I made them shorter by 1 repeat round of what the pattern called for, and I also added 5 stitches because I'm a little squat woman, a little squatter, and so they would have come up my leg too high to be like on me. Now they fit like this, just at the bottom of your calf. I added that other row of repeats that have been up to my knees, and I would have had to make them wider to go around my calves, and I wasn't doing all that. I don't want them to go up my leg. I was doing the short one. So I used Roll With It Melange in the color Showtime, I think. And here's the wrapper for that. And here's my leftover. I'm hoping that I can make at least maybe a headband ear warmers to match out of this yarn, because I got home and I did look at the other. I have 2 different cakes of this yarn, but in different colorways. The one is very similar, but it does not contain any of the yellow colors, and it was called Hollywood, and the other one wasn't at all similar. I didn't even realize I had that one. So I'm hoping I'm going to put them all together like this, and I'm going to try to do just this little basket weavy kind of thing, a couple of rows, and see if I can't get a headband out of it, ear warmers. So that's, but the project for the crochet calendar is done. If you want to join in any pattern, even if you don't have this, is fabulous. Fingerless gloves, little booty things. Boot cuffs is what they call them, leg warmers. Child size is fine as well. It doesn't have to be for you. Then you submit a picture to my email or my Facebook group page, both of which are linked in the bottom. Next month, just in case you were wondering, because it's getting near, is October, and this is what we get to make, so I'm kind of excited about that. I think it's, the pattern is for a set of 3. So that'll be fun for next month. So get pictures in, because I really like that. I think you'll enjoy it, and it's really a quick make. I made these in like no time. And I have not done my luck of the draw yet. I've been a busy girl. But I am going to Judy from Witch Piece Craft. She's doing rock #rock2022 AU. Oh, by the way, if you put pictures on Facebook, on my Facebook group page, do the hashtag CGC Crochet Cal 2022. That's CGC Charm Grammy Crochet. That way I can find the pictures easily when I go to present them at the end of the month. But I have this yarn, which is that Dreamweaver yarn from that discount store that I go to. I have a lot of it, and it's so pretty. I think it would make a really pretty shawl. Wrap. I want to try a wrap out of that for her beginning of September. Yeah, I know, it's the middle of September. We might only get one this month. I don't know, but I've been looking for a project for this yarn, and I'm thinking I might try to do a panel on my knitting machine. I've never done that. I don't know how this yarn will work because it's like landscapes. It has a little bit of a halo. It's a little bit roving. I'm not going to fight with my machine. If it doesn't work well in the machine, because then I would just crochet an edge around it. I'm not going to commit to knitting anything with this yarn at this time. I'm still working on that other knitting thing. But anyway, if this works in the knitting machine, I'm going to try. I think the panel would be good enough for a wrap, particularly if I add some kind of lacy border to it. I don't know how the ends work out. I've never tried a panel on my knitting machine, but we're going to give that a shot and see how it goes. If it goes well, I'm going to knit up a wrap. If it doesn't go well, then I'm going to try to do the same pattern that I'm doing with my luck of the draw, because that does go quickly, and I think it'll be real pretty in these colors. So we'll see how that goes. I did go to the craft fair yesterday. I had a very good time. I have lots of video clips and pictures to put together and try to narrate through. I have not had a chance to do that, so I'm hoping to get that up sometime this week, but I think it's going to take me a few minutes to, more than a few minutes to put that together. So I have to buzz on out of here. I appreciate you watching. I'm sorry I'm not in the yarn room. Hopefully for the next video that will occur, but all my yarn is still down here. I have not moved anything upstairs, and sadly I brought more down. I know. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.